To make the easiest pickled habanero recipe, you're gonna need a pound of habanero peppers. So we're gonna slice the peppers. Wear a glove because when they're too hot, you don't wanna get that on your hands. So you're gonna slice them like this. Just chop them off. Now the peppers are done, we're gonna slice half an onion. And we're also gonna slice the garlic clove. We're also gonna use lime juice. I'm using the juice of 2 limes. Now we're gonna mix all the pepper and the onion and the garlic. And we're gonna add the lime juice. This in Spanish is known as curtido. And we're gonna also need half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We're also gonna need a quarter of a teaspoon of ground pepper, a pinch of oregano. We're gonna sprinkle it over like this. We're gonna add salt to taste. We're gonna mix. Now the curtido or pickled habaneros are ready. We're gonna put them in a glass jar and leave them in the fridge for a day to marinate them, and then we're gonna try them tomorrow. Now we're gonna try the curtido or quick pickled habanero peppers. I'm gonna have them with a fried egg, Mexican style, and green rice that tastes delicious. It's a variation of Mexican rice. Like an egg taco. Not too much because it's very spicy.